Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inkscape tutorial how to align object. Okay, for example, I will draw simple objects. We draw rectangle in it and draw again like a circle. The next I will draw for star. So if you want to align these three objects, you can select all objects and go to the rect bar, click at this icon, align and distribute. So you can align back using at this icon. This is align from the left edge, this for the right. Okay, and you can set into center point by clicking at this icon. Center point in here for right edge and this left edge. Okay, that's it. So to align object in Inkscape with align and distribute tools. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.